Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, day 62. Day 62 of the new YouTube channel. It's the 31st of October, Halloween. So yesterday I finished the book listings. I completed payroll for my business, weekly payroll. I worked a little bit on the solar business, actually a lot on the solar business. There's problems with the lead campaign. I'm disappointed with that, but I'm going to try to work that out and make it better. I woke up late yesterday. I only did 7 minutes of walking on the treadmill with no running. So actually, that again, that's the goal, and is to get on a treadmill every day. And I did go to the gym. Didn't just got the chair massage. But I did 7 minutes of walking on the treadmill, and that's good because it had been a very long time where I hadn't done 45 minutes. So it actually was kind of like a break for my body, but it's not intentional. The goal is to do just a minute on the treadmill, and then if I exceed that, then everything else is gravy. So took Becky to school, worked out some computer problems that I was having at home. Then I went to the office and I fielded some calls, um, some practice calls. It wasn't, it's, I, it's both my businesses, both my solar business and the ACA. It's like I don't have any idea what I'm doing, and I'm trying to find my keys in the dark. Just trying to like find my way, and I think I'll get there. But it's frustrating because the answers are not obvious, and it's like I've got somebody on the line and they think that I know the answers and I don't, and that's what's frustrating. Is like you got to really fake it till you make it, and then one day you wake up and you really will know what you're talking about. But in the beginning, it's I'm just doing the best that I can, trying to explain it in the best way I can to the customer. So I think you have to really be bad at something before you be really good at it. So I think that's to be expected. But that's the trial and tribulation. And that's why I'm making this record. It's like, okay, in the future I expect to do really well and be really like a superstar. But then how did I get started? Well, I sucked. I absolutely sucked. I was just god awful with this. So um, went to the office, then came back from the office, then did a little bit of the Remote Wellness Academy. I finished a module. I don't have the module number on. I got ahead of myself. I did a module that I wasn't supposed to do, but that's okay. I did that, and yesterday was about mirroring and about it's part of coaching. So I completed that lesson. So the day before, I had got ahead of myself and did something. I did a lesson I wasn't supposed to do, but it's all fun. I got the content from it. I completed it, and there's no harm, no foul with that. So that's basically my day for the 31st of October. Like, comment, and subscribe. Eventually, I'm going to get somebody. I'm going to get my very first view. I know this is public, but I can't expect people to find it yet. But somebody will eventually stumble in. I'll get my first view, then I'll get my first subscriber, then I'll get my first comment. I'm looking forward to that. Shout out when you do, because I would really be like thrilled. Like, hey, I got somebody who actually watched the video, somebody who actually made a comment, somebody who actually subscribed. That would be fantastic. Also hit the bell notification icon to be notified of this every single day that I post a video about my journey through multiple different streams of income. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.